Technology adoption in the construction industry is becoming a must, and BIM is one way to help. BIM allows you to optimize your workflows through truly constructible data, and Tekla software, through its precision in design, detailing, and information management, delivers just that. But as it's still new to most of us, some level of expert help and support is needed. Also, like most technologies out there, the software needs to be updated and constantly upgraded for its users to have a competitive edge in the market. At Trimble, we realize that, which is why we constantly keep improving Tekla software, adding new features and tools to help our users. All of that and more through Tekla Maintenance. My name is Hani Salah from Trimble Solutions Middle East, and welcome to Tekla Updates. Welcome back. Tekla Maintenance backs up your investment by reinforcing your software through high-quality user support, the latest software updates, and much more. It gives you the extra boost needed to execute your projects more productively and efficiently. With round-the-clock support, our experts give high priority to our own maintenance users, so they don't go through any delays at their work. They respond to the user's query as soon as possible through phone calls, emails, as well as on-site visits if necessary. Our experts, who are coming from the industry and working for the industry to support Trimble's customers, they constantly update the online forums, discussion boards with the frequently asked questions and the latest updates. They are locally supporting Tekla customers, unlike others where you have to wait for a few days to get an answer for your query. This for sure will delay the delivery of your project. With Tekla support, you can get an answer as soon as and in less than a day. Users on Tekla Maintenance benefits from countless features updates that are added with every version. Over 300 plus new features as well as fixes have been added to the software for the past few years. And not just that, our own maintenance users also have exclusive access to an impressive 200 plus templates to choose from, and over 300 plus components that they can utilize for their projects. Tekla Warehouse, where our own maintenance users can access hundreds of add-ons and extensions, has had over 1.5 million page visits. Clearly, our users are getting a massive added value. Otherwise, getting such remarkable numbers wouldn't have been possible. We have also introduced a completely new and free e-learning tutorial for the steel, precast, concrete, and rebar users in a step-by-step, easy-to-understand manner. Here's another great news for Trimble Connect software users, which is an online cloud collaboration tool for the construction industry. Believe it or not, Trimble Connect has reached 10 million users worldwide in the past few months. So the good news is, Tekla software on maintenance customers will get a free Trimble Connect business license. This means you will be able to leverage your Tekla model throughout the whole construction lifecycle and not only at the engineering level. Have you heard enough? Now it's time to see it in action. Contact us today to learn how you can subscribe to Tekla Maintenance. This was your Tekla updates for today. Thank you and see you in the next one.